Hello guys, it's Team Strike and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be opening a pack. Oh my god! Oh my god! Forever Legend! I've walked in anyway. Oh my god. Legends. You serious? My god. A legend. That is impossible. Who do we get in the next packet? Well, we get biscuits, Sturridge and mashed kernel, who are good. And we'll get no one. We'll get the next packet. Well, we get 2 informs. To get, well, we get an inform, which is good. Next packet, guys. We get Benzema's. Actually, a decent player. Last packet. Oh, you might get a decent player. It's 3 million. Oh my god! I've got Iron Orb in normal, and then I get him in form. What a wait in this video. Bye.
Hello guys, it's Team Strike and welcome back to another video. Today in this video, as you can see, I just got a man of the match recently on Futwiz.com. But oh! Ramos man of the match also. Oh my god. Oh my god. 2 man of the match pulls and a legend. That is just sick. That is absolutely sick. Oh my god. Oh my god. 2 man of the matches and a legend. Oh my god. And we get Fabregas and Sterling. They're alright, and Remy. Nobody likes Fellaini. Okay. 5 more packets and we're going to end this video. Oh, we get PK and David Silva. And Yumi Bag. And also 4 more packets after this. Don't expect anybody good here. So there are the cards. 3 more packets now in this video. Who do we get? Who do we get? Okay, I might just move on. Oh, we get an inform. That's good. And he goes for 40k. That's a lot. Whoa! Do we get anybody good? 3 million. This packet's worth. And we get Robin, Team of the Week. Oh my god. Brilliant card that is. This is our second last packet. We get David Villa and Suarez. They're good cards. Going up to the last packet. Up to this packet to decide if we get anybody good. Come on, work. Get anybody good. No. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click on that subscribe and I'll see you next video. Bye.